Alright, back. Patch this hole and put this fin back up here because they rusted out. I'm gonna try fix it the best I can with what I got, which is a license plate, some JB weld, and a box knife. So let's get to it. There we go. As you see, used the whole thing of JB weld under the carpet, covered that hole. Don't look pretty, but it don't have to be. Time to work on this. To put it on the roof. Hopefully that works without it falling, you know. Like they say, the best temporary fix is a permanent fix. So let's do it. Let's try it. Hopefully it'll stay going 50 miles an hour down the road. Hopefully it don't fall off. Let's get it. Now, down here, sealed it up mostly. Oh shit, fuck. Alright, so that this exhaust doesn't come into the cab. So, that's one problem fixed. Same way. Fix that the same way, and see what she does. Didn't have to cut the carpet like I thought, and yeah. Next is the fin, which is probably gonna get windy, so up here, up there, those two bolts on each side. If you can focus, you see, there we go. They're rusted out. See, focus, you son of a bitch. See, I can just move them out. See. Probably won't get to that today, but probably do that tomorrow. Go get some more JB weld. See what that does, and well, we'll go from there. After the fan, I'll probably figure out how to bolt the seats down, because they flop around. It's getting annoying. So yeah, that's my plans so far. See y'all next time, I guess.